Yo, me like that interview you no ask Nuffy how him and Shibada. Because Shibada have Nuffy lack. You understand me? And even if me have a Obiaman, and my Obiaman keep me in at the business from 1988 till 2016, and me still recognize and now fit up on the internet and make myself a fucking clown in at the business. Me not have no problem. Cause my Obiaman cause the Almighty God who anoint me to be what me is right now today. Me no crap, and me not fear the foolishness to get recognition. Nuffy, you have to tell the people them where you out there call up my name say, me a blood clot Obiaman. Tell the people them say me book your show in Miami, Ninja Man and friends, and me have Beanie Man, Sizzler, Ninja Man, Juna Reed, and me hire Nuffy as me MC. What Nuffy do is to suck my friend pussy for 6 pair of socks. You have to tell them that, and I go talk who is Barbie Doll pussy you suck from Miami for 6 pair of socks. And those that know about it, Beanie Man know about it, and the whole we know about it. My friend them with in Miami know about it, because we know say anytime you go around Barbie Doll, you're gone. And you gone. Barbie Doll bow out the whole of you. Yo, listen Nuffy, you have to try put yourself somewhere in life. You worry about my Benz, at least me have a Benz, and at least it a pay for, and at least me have me can buy gas. Bumbo hole. You ever see me a run back at uno? Your business boy, me you talk about me, Joe left run left me. You say me a walk a fuck man. That man a fear there with me. You fuck man. And your man a fuck and a wrap up. Some man can't left you. No man can't left me because me and no man no there. Batty boy. And what do you know for? You come off of my name now, youth. You not find something else to do. You feel like you can't draw me out. Me not doing nothing for going to prison. Me not go war none of you. And none of you can make me lift up a gun again. Because I find out my status and my responsibility and who I am firmly in the business. And find out that there's going to be a lot of Lacristos, Caratos and Mendican and Dranko and Ninkompo who have nothing to do, nothing to live for, and have nowhere going. This thing gone, you don't hear nothing about nothing. You don't hear not one thing about nothing. Then don't book you up on no other show. Then don't want you. Where they a gate you pull run a down some run a supreme gate, you know. Me pass there and see a let out car. Nothing is nobody. You know see a gate man you turn. Sting pop down and you turn gate man. Move your blood clot. You mash up the man show. You make Mr. Leng, nobody no want to go near Mr. Leng show because your mouth filthy and it stink and you don't go suck pussy alone. You lick out batty hole. And you come and talk about people, when about people, there's some people that if you go cleanse your filthy mouth, nothing. Come on from my name. You not get no recognition, nothing. You are one big dirty suck pussy boy. Stop calling me name and if you continue, you go get what you not deserve, you know. You get what you really forget, you know, nothing. Stop calling me name. Because I go shoot no, but I so hold you and lick out your blood clot teeth them. Because you talk about if you ever been checked by me. You hold on afraid of me like pussy. I should know say me have my murder case, so not try to draw me out. If me never have my murder case, you know would not chat so. So now for you chat, boy, you're not afraid of me. You afraid of me. You hold on afraid of me. I behave myself. Go suck your mother nothing. And some of them rated this Jackie where I condone some carelessness and some nastiness. Sometimes they come off of the internet and come off of the rated them too. Because I don't know the reason for you not let out to people. For you get the internet for use, there's not one person who come and take up the internet and do something good. I pay idlers and numbskull and damn idiot and fool. Why not use the internet for look at job? No, love, why you not going to lose the internet to get a 9 to 5? Because you'd be a good gardener, you know. You'd have be a very good gardener because you could have used your mouth and cut the grass them because you chat like when blood clot whip or cut. And who you Nuffy? Nuffy just humble yourself, man, and try stop push yourself over the edge, man. I don't need to go to Obia, man, because I was anointed by the Almighty God to do what I do. I'm very kind and very nice and very good to people. So as I travel along, I see God bless me and make everything when I go on. A bad man make you all on that chat, so. Only thing so when me did left around at Joseph Bogdanovich yard, Bogdanovich studio, me would have mash up. When I check something would have go on. I see me left downtown and last year at 2 car me give away. Eh? And this year at 2 day me show I keep. You know see me thing turn up nothing. Eh? Me thing turn up. Me I do show when none of you can do. Mr. Leng cannot get Firelinks, Tony Mataran, Pink Panther, and Besa this year, Innocent Sound in a one land. Supreme cannot get all of the top artists them in a one land because you mash it up. Me can't get all these things happen. So just quiet yourself, Nuffy. You are nobody. And anybody we are encouraging and hear foolishness, then really have a bad day coming. Because I don't see why you don't keep calling up my name and going like, and I don't see none now. No. Me ask no, please come off of my name because I'm a big man. These little nasty mouth people who come in like nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. Then if you just leave my name alone. You understand me? And I go page on the straight and plain. It's the 24th of next month I go back a court. Please come off of my name. I need to come off of my name because I don't see why Sting gone now and still call my name. I mash up the whole of the show them over the year. What you mash up? Your show mash up? Because you mash it up. You come and mash up the whole and Mr. Leng them something. From you come around Sting and have your stinking mouth where you have a suck out the girl them bottom and the girl them pussy and a lick out all toe. The girl, last girl tell me say she have at leak too and you lick it out and that's how it cure. Your blood clot mouth coming like a pint of cabeza. You must check your mouth, man. You see your mouth kind of always whitey man. And the bad juice them a come back out of your mouth, you know. Nuffy. Try check on yourself. You have some form of disease. If you have fungus in your mouth. Fungus in your hard board pan you because the girl don't use the private part of you, mostly your mouth then use because then say that can get that move faster than anything else. Remember say them have you as the biggest standing fan, you know. You can't go foreign for no reason more than for go suck pussy. And let me tell you something. Barbie doll one girl when you suck her pussy good she request you back again. And she tell me all of who she requests and she says she's not requesting back you. Because you is a very good nasty mouth suck pussy man. You're not a clean man. She said, Frank, you go down and come up back. It come like, when you go down and come up back, something come out of your mouth, it kind of, it turn her off. And that's very disgraceful. You understand? And when I hear your life story, my stomach ever sick that me upset, that me vomit. You cannot lower in yourself, so man. Because I mean, people are doing things, but you must clean yourself before you go do things, man. Fungus are dig you out, nothing. You have AIDS, you have syphilis. 3 diseases you have: AIDS, syphilis, and gonorrhea. I don't know how herpes meet you, miss you. You tell the people about the big pill them where you take a daytime to survive. Eh? You have to watch my car. Right now, and a Benz alone me a drive. Me have a brand new Rover I drive too. So if you have a problem with the Benz, come and look at the Rover. Yeah? And me park the Benz and drive the Rover when ready. And me park the Rover, me drive the Understream. So you just have one car and I worry about one car. Leave me alone we have my life put together. Dranko always try to pitch on dead meat. But listen this. This is not the type for your pitch pan. This is not the type. Nuffy, get a hold of yourself. Nuffy is a dirty youth where we take up out of garbage and fix up. Try stop call my name. Stop call my name. Suck pussy Nuffy.